Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today market update for June 3rd, 2020. On the left side here, that's a check at SBY daily chart. At this moment, the market is show no sign of reversal. Today, the market is keep running to the top. It's like Boeing. You can see that right now, everything is in the upside. They don't give you any sign that reversal yet. And then today, the market it continue and hold up very strong on the upside until the last minute, and then people take profit, but it showed no sign of going down. So at this moment, we still continue with the uptrend. So the price is still close all about 200-day moving average, short-term moving average. So the trend is still up. So we have to stick with the upside. They may zigzag a little bit. Somebody may take the profit. So whatever we see on the chart on the price, that will tell you if it's still uptrend, we'll stick with the uptrend. So the next couple of days here, we really want to see it if they want to break out this level and continue to go higher, or people will take some profit and then they will find a way to go up again. So if you are in the bull camp, okay, you have to stick with the uptrend because if we keep afraid, if we are afraid right here, it's a 1,000 point move, and then you never be able to participate to the upside. So you continue in the upside until they revert, and then we will consider that the trend changing. But at this moment, everything bullet, we stick with the bull side. So if you are a day trader this morning, so the market it just goes straight up in the 60-minute chart. You can see here they continue to push it back up when the market open. They just slowly, and then they hit to the top, and before they took the profit at the end of the day. So this morning when I get out of my live trading room, I just jump in quick to take a quick trade because I have to watch out for this critical level here. I jump in and take a quick trade, and the, uh, the I only take a very short trade, and then the net profit for the day trade is $513. But I turn around, I'm doing on the swing trade. That is where the second thing that we are teaching in the stock navigator, and that's how you do swing trade, and so you can make a bigger profit. And then a lot of stock, I'm going to show you a little bit, and then just today on the stock that swing trade, they go up at 25, 26K. It's just like that. So that's how you trade. If you look at the couple of stocks that you can see here today, like Boeing, they're ready to take up to the upside, and a lot of bank stock, it, it try to find a way to go, try to find the way to go higher. Wells Fargo Bank. Let me see. FC. Okay, Wells Fargo Bank. Okay, Bank America. Okay, they all try to find a way to go up. So that's why if you know how to read the chart and how to do the swing trade, so that you can see that a lot of profit potential to build your wealth is yet waiting for you. It is the opportunity that you should learn how to read the chart so you can make some money. All right, so that's all I have for you today, and then we will see you tomorrow. And take care.